I will show you how you can now export your learning intentions that you have developed and written out on your Great Arco collaborative plan on Mission Heights Online directly to your course page that corresponds with that plan. So in my case, what I have done is I've created a practice plan in the staff play area, and when I click into explore, where I have actually developed 3 learning intentions already, so I'd entered these, I want these learning intentions to appear in a specific week. If you scroll down on this page till you get to copy section to week planning, I can select the week I want this to appear in. In this instance, I want it to appear in the week starting 14th of Feb. A pop-up window will ask verification if you'd like to continue to do so. This is a timely reminder because in case you've got something else under that week already, the learning intentions will replace everything that is there under that week. So as a good practice, maybe do your learning intentions first and then later go on and edit that week and add your success criteria and activities. In my case, I know there's nothing there, and so I'm happy for it to go on that week. Click OK, and that's it. If I go back into the play area, under the corresponding week, you see that my learning intentions are now there. If I want the same learning intentions to appear for 3 weeks in a row, you have to go back to your plan and then do the exact same steps. Learning intentions are there. I now want it to also appear on the week starting 28th Feb. And same steps again, and you have it appearing on the 2 weeks that I had selected. So this is one way where you can actually export all your learning intentions from your plan directly to your course page.